Thinking Byzantine here, and today we'll be going over the Bumble IPO. Now, before we get into this article, I'd like to let you guys know that I'm not a financial advisor. This is all my own opinion, and please do your own research before making an investment. Now, let's get into this article. Bumble valued at $8.2 billion as investors fall in love with dating app. Bumble, the online dating app, received a warm welcome from Wall Street on Wednesday, pricing initial public offering above their marketed range, valuing the company at more than $8 billion. Let's see, they sold shares at $43 apiece, raising $2.2 billion from investors. Okay, 125 in proceeds as part of the Blackstone transaction. Anything else? Here it is. A loss of $117 million in the first 9 months of last year on revenues of around $417 million. So if we do some quick math, let's say we say it's the value. Bumble's currently trading right now, but let's just do a bit of quick math. So we have 417 million. We'll make this so simple. 417 million divided by $8 billion. So we got to convert that into millions. So 8. Oops, I think I did this the wrong way. But you can still interpret this price to sales ratio of around 20. Let's see if I did this math correctly. Is it around 20? Let's see. 417. Yeah. Price to sales of around 20. Just at the IPO price, and that's rather expensive for any stock, to be honest. But let's just look at their SEC filing to see what we can find. 42 users, okay. 117 billion first moves. 150 plus countries. Okay. Let's look at what Bumble's risk factors. Users use other products, okay. Behavior on any product changes. Experience diminishes. So basically, if they're unable to keep pace with other competitors like the Match Group, or people start just not getting interested in it and they just move on. Sort of like what happened to, what's that thing called? MySpace? Yeah, what happened to MySpace? They just lost interest. The public just lost interest in it and moved on to Facebook. But I want to see their balance sheet. Now we gotta look through this and find it. Seems like they hid their balance sheet rather far, which is a bit annoying, to be honest. User proceeds, dividends. I doubt there'll be any dividends for this stock. Any stock that's losing money usually does not pay dividends. But let's see. Gotta keep finding. Here it is, balance sheet. So let's see. They have around $3.5 billion in total assets. Total liabilities of around $1.25 billion. So at least they have more assets than liabilities. That's a good sign that they can pay off anything that could happen. But I still don't like the fact that they're losing money. And let's see what else we can find here. Revenue, net earnings. Okay. Yeah, that goes into the fact that they're still losing money. Which is, I guess, it's another risk of this company. If can they make this app turn a profit? Well, let's see if we head back here. I want to see what their strategy is. So, find their strategy page. Forward-looking statement. Yeah, here it is. The perspective. Let's see. That will important factors which factors could be explained. Forecast consultant. Although we are not. guaranteed accuracy. See, this is just risk. You may issue more stock. Okay. I guess that's another risk, taking the fact that they could dilute you. Then again, that's with every IPO. There's always a dilution risk. But quite honestly, I'm trying to. Where is there? Let's see, business. Find more information. Shares. Description of certain industries. Let's look at their business. Okay. Bumble was founded because we noticed two different things yet related in our society: antiquated gender norms and lack of kindness and accountability on the internet. So, we observed that women were treated equally in society, especially in romantic relationships. Yeah, that's, I guess, the gimmick of Bumble is that women are the first movers on Bumble. So I guess they're gonna play off that. We are powering a movement, yes. So they're gonna play social trends. That's their growth strategy, playing social trends and trying to get women onto that app to be the first movers, because I guess women just don't like being hit on Tinder. I guess I don't really know because I'm not a woman. But anyways, let's just look at the overall trends. I think we were sticking long enough at their filing, but yeah, trends are that online dating is expected to grow. It's expected to grow 9.3% CAGR from 2021 to 2024, according to Statista. And if we look and compare it to their competitor Match Group has a PE ratio of over 1,000, according to this Google search, and a market cap around $45 billion. Well, I guess that means that Match Group is actually profitable, but that's not what I mean. And if we look at their revenue for 2019, let's see, and we did some quick maths. I'm going to estimate that their price to sales is around 22. So if you got Bumble at the $43 a share, or at the valuation of 8.2 billion, I think it's in line for its competition. But like most IPOs these days, it's already doubled its price. So you'll be paying around a price to sales of around 40-ish, because we're doing times 2 of 90.66, so 40, 39-ish. So in my opinion, Bumble is overvalued as it currently is. It's a business that's currently not profitable as is, though it's still growing. And I'm just trying to figure out, can this app keep up its momentum? Can it keep holding interest? And can it turn a profit in the long term? And these are just question marks that I can't answer right now. And based on their strategy of getting people onto their app, I'm not sure how long this could last, because they're playing off social trends. So if we look back here, right here it says antiquated gender norms like accounting internet. So yeah, they're playing on social trends, and who knows how long the trend will last. Plus, they do have strong competition from Match Group, because Match Group has Match.com, they got Tinder. I'm not sure what else they have, but this is definitely a strong competitor. And there's other ways to, interact with people online that are not necessarily dating apps, but there's Snapchat, there's Facebook, there's Twitter. Not necessarily competitors, but they draw users away from dating apps, as you can still interact with people, but on those others, it's just, as intuitive, because when you're on Twitter, maybe you're not necessarily looking for a date, but that's besides the point. I just think that Bumble is it's overvalued for what it does currently. And I have a feeling that after the IPO exuberance goes away, that maybe this stock can drop a bit, and we can look at the Airbnb's IPO. Let's just go back all the way to the beginning. Say it went all the way to 164, and then dropped to 120. So around a 25% drop before rising again. So if we had to get into this, I would maybe wait for the IPO lockup period or to end, or wait for the dip. But in any case, Bumble is definitely not a stock I'm interested in investing in, but that's just my own opinion. So go down in the comment section below. What are your guys' opinions on Bumble? And have a good day, basically. Just have a good day and make sure you're earning money.